How to tag someone on Instagram Reels. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to upload an Instagram Reel. So all we have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. You just have to click on camera, or you can add something from your camera roll. And then capture a video, which is right here. After that, we can just edit this or add music to it, add text, and then click on stickers right there. You can also add filters. You can pretty much do anything you want. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to hit on next right here. And it will give you an option to write a caption and tag people on your post. So in order for you to tag people, all you have to do is to tap on this button right here. So you just have to tap this plus button to tag people and type in the username of the people that you want to tag, which is right here. Say there. Now, once you're done and you have tagged every people that you want to tag, you just have to click on check button right here and then share this reel to your Instagram feed. So that's how to tag someone on Instagram Reels. Hope we help.